So I'm very happy to be here at CGC Landran on their 4th International Conference on Computational Tools and Technologies. So they have chosen a very, very apt topic also, which is actually required to be, on which a lot of research and innovation is happening. I'm particularly very glad to see the infrastructure, the ambience, the number of students, the faculty members who are here, and the number of participation that this conference is getting. So now in the era where you have the generative AI, which has taken a major leap, there is like almost a complete change in the landscape of the technologies, the placement sectors, the jobs, everything is changing. I think that we need to again rework on ourselves. So since I have been working and doing research in computer science in allied areas like cybersecurity and artificial intelligence from the last 24 years, there's been a lot of learning. And I would strongly recommend that, if you look at the sectors like healthcare, the agriculture, the finance, there is still a huge potential where a lot of things need to be done. I've been working with the healthcare professionals, the doctors. I see that when it comes to engineers, computer scientists, and doctors working together, there is still a huge gap between what they are using, the level of automation, and their confidence on artificial intelligence itself. So therefore, I would make a strong suggestion that interdisciplinary research, multidisciplinary research has to be encouraged, and the students should try to understand the root problems by working with the domain experts, and making contributions in the applied research areas so that we can make the best of the technology, because finally as the engineers, we are here to solve the problems of the society through the technology, and at the end of the day, it must see the light, and it must enlighten the lives of the people.